Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. You hear the plastic wrapper? These monkeys are going freaking apeshit over my crackers. I only have 3 left, and like I said, no breakfast until tomorrow. But I just want to see what happens when I share my cracker. You like that? You're not going to give any to your baby? Come here, baby. Yeah, you deserve some too. You know who else deserves some? Oh, is Sean boy. Oh, holy shit. This guy's gonna kick my fucking ass. Hey, hey. What you got to say, homie? You look like Big Daddy. But Sean don't play that. Okay, now I'm scared. These crackers are mine, asshole. Jesus. Leave me alone.